Court has in fact objected to the observations that were made. Remember, the Allahabad High Court during a hearing in a case had said that the victim had invited trouble. Now the Supreme Court has taken a very strong view of it and has pulled up the court saying why make such comments, and judges must be more careful. So Harish, there was a lot of outrage over the comments that were made by the Allahabad High Court over the rape case, after which now the Supreme Court has taken a very strong view of it. Take us through the details.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. Two back-to-back pulling up of the Allahabad High Court, close on the heels of Supreme Court taking very serious view of the fact that one judge had said that grabbing the breast and breaking the strings of pajama does not amount to attempt to rape. Now there is another judge who had said that the victim herself is responsible and should be she had invited trouble for herself. So in fact the Supreme Court said that okay, let the judge give bail in the rape case, but why make such irresponsible comments? And therefore said that the High Court judges should be more careful. Remember, on the last date of hearing, the Supreme Court had stated that the other judgment and saying that totally insensitive comments were made, observations not known to canons of law, totally inhuman approach to the case by the High Court judges. And once again, Supreme Court, in fact, taking note of yet another shocking comments by Allahabad High Court judge once again, and said that very strict guidelines will be laid down and the matter will be taken up for hearing after 4 weeks. At this juncture, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that yes, justice should not only be done but seen to be done if in the eyes of the common man the image of higher judiciary judges are falling because of such comments, saying that common man will think that the judges don't know the basics of law, does not know, they are not aware of the basic nuances of law. So even the Solicitor General of India is supporting strict action against such judges who make irresponsible comments. Supreme Court once again highlighting and reminding the High Court judges that you should be very careful by making oral observations.
Yes, because it gives out a wrong message, and that was something that was observed by the top court as well, saying that judges must be extremely careful. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details.